Still wasting money on manual pallet handling? Cut chews, big bones, pig ears, fruit dried and shrimp. Our new tech automatic pallet lifting and arranging system changes everything. 100% fully automatic, zero manual operation. Cut labor costs sharply. Boost your production efficiency